To create a DigitalOcean Managed Database, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the Managed Databases section. Here you will find a list of your existing databases and a button to create a new one. Click the Create a Database button to begin the process. You will be prompted to choose the database engine you want to use, such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, or Redis. Select the engine that best fits your needs and click Continue. Next, choose the database configuration, including the cluster size, node size, and database version. The cluster size determines the number of nodes in your database cluster, while the node size determines the resources allocated to each node. Choose a configuration that meets your performance and budget requirements. After selecting your database configuration, choose a data center region for your database. This determines where your database will be physically located and can impact performance and latency. Choose a region that is close to your application or users. You will also need to create a database name and set a password for the default user. Make sure to choose a strong password and keep it secure. You can also add tags to your database to help with organization and filtering. Once you have completed the setup process, click the Create Database button to create your new managed database. This will take a few minutes, depending on the configuration you chose. When your database is created, you can connect to it using the connection details provided in the DigitalOcean control panel. You can also use the DigitalOcean API or CLI to manage and configure your database. Best practices for creating and managing DigitalOcean managed databases include regularly backing up your data, monitoring performance and latency, and scaling your database as needed to meet changing demands. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure, scalable, and performant managed database on DigitalOcean.